Welcome to Agriculture Central. If you are new to the channel, hit subscribe button and click on the bell icon. If you want to raise chickens, you need to provide good quality feed for your flock. So what is the best homemade chicken feed? In this video, I will show you how to make 100% organic broilers chicken feed at home. 220 kilograms of chicken feed will be prepared using the following ingredients. 110 kilograms of cracked corn. 68 kilograms of ground roasted soybeans. 11 kilograms of rolled oats. 11 kilograms of alfalfa meal. 11 kilograms of fish or bone meal. 4.5 kilograms of calcium powder. 6.8 kilograms of poultry Nutri-balancer. Let's see the method of making. First, mix the cracked corn and roasted soy in a bowl. Weigh 110 kilograms of cracked corn and 68 kilograms of roasted soybeans into a large container, such as a barrel or grocery bag. Mix the ingredients with a shovel until well mixed. Choose a bag with a lid. This will make food storage easier. If you don't have a large enough container, reduce the recipe. This feed works well for broiler chickens because it contains a lot of protein to help the chickens grow. Use organic ingredients if you want to make organic food. Now add oats, alfalfa meal, and fish or bone meal to the mix. Weigh 11 kilograms of rolled oats, 11 kilograms of alfalfa meal, and 11 kilograms of fish or bone meal into a bag. Mix the ingredients in the cracked corn and soybeans until all the nutrients are distributed in the bag. Buy the ingredients at a farm store or grocery store. Add the aragonite and chicken Nutri-balancer to the bag. Dose 4.5 kilograms of calcium powder or aragonite and 6.8 kilograms of Nutri-balancer chicken feed. Mix the ingredients well so that the powder is distributed in the food. Nutri-balancer poultry feed is an important supplement to feed as it ensures that chickens get the nutrients they need to grow faster. If you can't find these items at your local farm store, look online or ask your veterinarian to recommend a distributor. Aragonite is a mineral found in limestone and is a good source of calcium. Feed each chicken 0.27 kilograms of the mixture per day. Multiply the amount of food for each chicken by the number of chickens in the co-op. Add food to the food processor or throw it on the floor once a day. Use 1.4 kilograms of feed for 5 chickens. It is important that you do not overfeed the Cornish heather with this mixture as it can cause a fatal heart attack. This is rare because chickens don't want to eat more than they need. Store chicken feed in an airtight container for up to 6 months. Cover the food bag and place it in a cool, dry place, such as a garage or barn. This will help prevent the food from getting moldy or infected with insects. If you see any sign of rats or bugs in the list, it is best to throw it away and start a new batch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.